All right, friends, welcome to the past. This is a little different. I think you're here because you want to see my experience for the first time. Normally we do hobby grade stuff, and this is clearly kid grade. You've obviously watched the video and were entertained enough that you wanted to see this vision of the past of when I opened it for the first time, and that is so different than what I expected. I don't know what I was thinking to come out of here. I don't know why I had like 16th scale in my brain. I don't know. This thing is so teeny and so cool looking. All right, so it comes with 2 batteries. Actually comes with the battery for the remote. Check out this little remote. This thing is adorable. Okay, so I will tell you, just so you know, you probably know already from the review and watching it, it is on or off, right? We got forward, reverse, steering left and right. There's just on and off. They just toggle on or off, which is probably fine for something kid grade like this, toy grade. It is ridiculously cool looking. Should we do the drop test? Let's do this, the Ubiquitous drop test. That's actually better than I expected. I mean, there's no dampening in the shock absorbers, but it's just a little toy. Solid axle front, and oh, wait. Front still does have independent suspension. Not even a solid axle. The rear is the solid axle, but it is suspended. This thing's cool. You already saw it go. You saw the review. You're here just to see what came inside the box and what my experience was like. And this thing is freaking cool. I want to go play with it, actually. I hope this was helpful. This thing looks ridiculously cool. I'm going to go play with it. I will see you in the next video. Change of venue. I ran out of time at the testing facility, so I had to bring it home. It is the next day, but I think it's good because I've had an extra day to think about this little guy. And obviously we normally do hobby grade RCs here, maybe like beginner level RCs, and this is a full-fledged toy. And oh my gosh, is this a ridiculously fun toy. This thing is a super overachiever. Let me just show it to you one more time so you remember. This thing is absolutely, I actually have a little buddy Jackson who, if he's not in trouble this week, I'm gonna send this to him because this thing is so fun to play with. You've seen it go through the gauntlet of real RC car tests, but this thing is just gonna be perfect to play with in an apartment, in a house, in somebody's backyard, by the pool here. Do not think you're gonna take it to the RC car racing track and have much success there, but as a basic thing to play with and have fun, absolutely off the hook. I am thrilled with this. If you wanna get this, there's a link here on the screen. There's one down below. Helps out the channel if you could use those. If I've added some value here, please like the video, follow the channel for more fun stuff like this. And in the comments, put in the comments, do you want us to play with more toy level stuff like this? Or do you want us to stick with the hardcore bashers and fast stuff? Put it in the comments. I'm curious what you guys have to say. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.